Hello there! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please do not forget to subscribe and click the bell button, and that way you won't miss any new videos from me. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change the page orientation in Microsoft Word. So first, make sure to open your Microsoft Word. And here, this is how it looks like if you already opened your Microsoft Word. Now, since we are going to change the page orientation of your Microsoft Word, or of your document rather, so the next step we should select is the Layout tab. Now, where do we find that one? Layout tab can be found here, which is beside the Design tab. Just select that one, and right after you'll see several options under this tab. So for us to proceed in changing the page orientation, make sure to be under Page Setup, and there's an option for orientation. On this part, just click that one. You'll be able to change the page orientation. It's either you want the document to be on portrait or landscape. Now that's how you change the page orientation of your document in Microsoft Word. I do hope this video helped you. See you on my next videos, and bye for now.